Nanya ka.
What's happening in your life?
Yes! Katabi na kami finally. Hindi na niya ka. Hindi niya nakatabi si Amy. May lip gloss. Yummy! I have a gift for
From
you.
67, 61 na lang.
We pa lang.
Tsaka madaling pa umuling ito. Buti nga pumayat ka.
Tao ko ulit ngayon.
Tama na muna kayo. Ang lasa ko more meth. Gonna put the honey here sa pizza ko. Oo, yan. Lagi ganyan. Sa fabric.
Kahit
Yan ang
hindi. Okay lang.
Thank you. Paano kung sinabi niyo hindi okay?
Hindi yung kuha.
Knowing
Sell out of that. Hey! Hey! Inokurahin na lang ng ganyan. Ayaw nga!
Ano?
Wow! Bakit naman? Hoy, sukat mo. May price ba ata? Wow! Wow! Ganda! Oh, si Steven, ibigay ko sa'yo. Meron pa sa'yo. Damin pala. Oh! Sige, walaan mo. May message yan. Sorry kayo, wala kang message.
Hindi, makeup.
Ano yan? Ang dagan.
Target.
Ano ba siya? Okay.
Ma'am, what's happening in your life now? This is your vlogger.
So ngayon, as a sponsorship head, pero tapos na. Tapos na yung ingres ng goods ng sponsors namin. And then, waiting na lang kami sa lights and sound. And then we're gonna go home. Cherry ka, mga 3 a.m. dito. Hi guys, we're heading home. Kasi sakit ng ulo ko. Wow, nag-decide na. Hindi, tapos na ang aming agenda for today, for tonight. And then, magpapaganda na kami.
Kahit wala pa yung lights and sound.
Kahit namin lights and sounds. Feeling ko ito na yung lights and sounds, guys. Intayin ka na ba? Yung buses. I think ito na sila.
Ba't nag-update sa'yo yun? Sa mga supplier dyan.
Asa baba na kami.
Talagang sabi, uuwi na, naharang pa nga.
Kaya ako dumating. Habang naglalaro ha? Oh, I don't know.
Biro na eh.
Love it, we're gonna see it later sa live.
Of Edu Dasmariñas, Dr. Rial Liza Menlas,
Sabihin niya nakawa.
Hi guys! So, update, oily na ang face and
Bumakat na ang
Bumakat na ang face ni Erica. Dasala rin. So, kito na po ako, guys. Bawal umupo kasi naman.
May secret din naman ang idol nyo.
Yes.
Bawal maupo at bawal magtanggal ng sapatos.
Sapatos! At bakit? Secret!
Yun na lang ang default reaction namin sa lahat, guys. Tanungin mo kami, ang sagot namin ay, yes! At dahil dyan, ang sagot namin ay,
Yes! So, we're gonna eat. What do you call that? This is shrimp. Shrimp. Sarap. Okay. Cheers! Sarap. Sobrang gutom lang ako. Sobrang sarap, guys. Another one. Ang sarap. Ang sarap talaga. Ate kayo? Sino ba?
You're missing out.
Sobrang sarap, sis.
Ubusin mo na, sis.
Yummy. I'm gonna buy it again. Sobrang sarap. Raise your flag and whistle twice. March 5 na ngayon, guys, and it's our tour guiding presentation. My partner will be Erica. So, magpa-practice kami ngayon. Kasi, alam nyo, nakakakaba. Kasi, nagbigay sa amin ng mga destinations. Tapos, hindi namin alam yung magpa-flash. 5 destinations. So, kaba-kaba. Oasis.
I will. That means volcanic eruption in the Philippine history.
16 pa kami, guys. So, I guess, after lunch pa siya.
Mabuhay at magandang araw, everyone. Welcome to Oasis Travel and Tours.
I need to go back to our class.
Okay, our next destination is
Taal Volcano.
Wow! Did you know that Taal Volcano is one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines? What? With 38 eruptions recorded! Wow! 1, 2, 3, go! Next na sila, guys.
Yeah.
Insistensya. Kami 16.
No, after lunch.
So today's vlog, we're doing tour guiding. Oh, eto na sis.
It went well. Actually, nabitin pa nga kami. Gusto namin tapusin.
Ay, Saray, ang bongga. So gusto niya talaga tapusin yung 10. Yes, perfect. Fun fact kay Maxine. Balahura.
Balahu.
You cannot say that on my camera.
Okay.
Say hi, sir. Hi. Sabi nakaupo na ako. Okay, sir. Yona, sir. Good day, my dear tourists. We are Maxine and Erica, but you can call us Ate Max and Ate Egong for short. We're very excited to show you the best of the Philippines, from its history to the stunning landscape.
Respect the environment and the locals.
Before we start, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us anytime. Our first destination is
Corridor Island.
Today, it is a historical site with memorials, ruins, and the breathtaking view of Manila Bay.
Fun fact, guiding ships passing through Manila Bay.
So, it's game time. I will state a question, and then you will give me the answer. First question, who is the tourism officer of Bulacan? That's right! Sir Wilson Bonifacio! Our next destination is Pito Art Museum. This is our last destination.
Oh, guys, don't miss out.
See you next time again. So, our next destination is the Tagum Musikahan Festival. Tagum Musikahan Festival is a week-long lively celebration of culture, arts, and music showcases the talents of Tagumeños, Mindanaoans, and Filipinos when it comes to singing. Oh, that's right. Let's go back to our bus. To wrap up our adventurous tour, I hope you had a great time exploring the wonders of the Philippines. Again, I am Ate Max.
And I am Ate Ekang.
Now, signing off. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Awarding na guys.
Tour guide is STHM week is individual.
Basta kain na nila yan, sir.
I think kasama sila Steph.
I think.
Our team, Marquis and Lapus.
Wow! Perfect! No breakfast, guys. No everything, just what?
Top 5. Sobre Monte. Miss Baltasar and Mama Top 2. Casey.
Hindi kami nag-aasama, nag-video lang kami, reaction
For
video.
top 1. The group of Aliyah. Sa pagpap. Oh, hindi kasi hindi. Oh, hindi.
Did you know that Philippine Eagle? I thought we're gonna survive this. But
Sabi namin, survive lang, guys.
Grabe naman.
Uy, grabe naman.
Mr. Almario Allison.
Guys, sa STHM Week, si Erica ang magiging representative dahil ako ay nasa volleyball. Thank you, guys. Thank you for this. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. This is for you. Nag-pray tayo. I think deserve ang Jollibee.
talagang
Yay!
Gutom.
Jones, grabe. Walang kain.
Kasi hindi ako nagdadasal sa vlog.
Cover up ka.
Sriracha. Tama ba?
Sriracha po.
Sriracha.
Hello! Wow! 2, 3. Oh.
Ay, ginabahan ako ng konti doon.
Hold my hand.
Align
Align. Wow!
Ang cute.
Ang cute.
Say hi.
Say hi. Wala. Dun.
Wala. Hindi dapat.
Bye. Ang sarap. Yummy.
Wala. Hindi ako magpaparamdam next week. Cravings fulfilled.